Okay, this is our apartment tour for Kutaisi. So this is the second apartment we have lived in since we moved here. So here is the bathroom. The toilet is the self-closing, this thing, or the soft close. Yeah. Shower. The kitchen with like a medium-sized fridge. There's no oven in this one, which we learned to cook without. I definitely miss the oven, but it's not common in most apartments or rentals in Kutaisi. Now this drawer was cool because you open it up and you think it's just silverware, but it's like it's got another slot in here, which is pretty cool. You got shelves, mirror. This is where put your shoes. Kitchen, or not kitchen, dining room table. So the water heater's inside that one, and the heater's inside that one. And again, if you watched the last apartment we stayed in, our frustration was the water heater was outside and it wasn't covered. So anytime it was windy, the pilot light went out, so we didn't have hot water. So that was a requirement this time, is that the water heater is covered. These two couches, that one folds out into a sofa bed. And it is moving day for us, so we are moving back to Tbilisi. Normally we don't have this much stuff, but a couple of things. One, this blue bag has all my hiking gear in it, which is still our plan at some point when the borders reopen to go hiking. All of our bedding, so we have 3 pillows in there, Anthony's winter coat, and our sheets. So far in the places we've stayed, the bed doesn't have a fitted sheet on it, which really annoys me. You can go. So we bought our own set of sheets here, which for me has totally been worth it. And so again, we usually just travel with our backpack. That one's mine and that one's his. But it's COVID right now, so we are traveling by private driver, and we also bought our own set of pots and pans because, again, the rentals we've been in, the host doesn't, or the landlord doesn't invest in non-stick pans, and so we cook a lot at home, and that was also kind of frustrating. And again, because of COVID, we can't leave, so we might as well, and we're traveling by private driver, we might as well keep our pots and pans that we paid for. Okay, so flat screen TV, which we never used. And then the bedroom. So this one, it came fully furnished, right? So bed sheets plus an extra set of sheets, which is nice. We have this closet, which this is my side. So it has shelves and then a hanging area. And then Anthony took that side. So we actually kind of had our own closets here, which is different. We usually just share. And then our balcony. So our clothing rack, or clothing line. So as you see, it is, well, first, so we are right in the city center of Kutaisi. So right over there is the main fountain, or the only fountain I should say that's here. So we're on Queen Tamar Street. So where that lady is walking right there is where the Europroduct is. So if you know where that is in Kutaisi, you know we're right downtown, which is wonderful. Where that car just pulled in, that's where the mall is, or one of the malls here. So that shared balcony, I would never do that again. You just don't have your privacy. Our neighbor ended up calling the cops on us because we were playing music, and it was just like wasn't a good experience. And anytime he would smoke, it would come into ours. So again, I would never do a shared balcony again. But so this apartment, we signed a 2-month lease. We negotiated in to have all of our utilities just covered. So just one flat fee, so we don't have to worry about anything. So all of this 2-month lease right in the heart of the city center of Kutaisi was $400 per month. That's not right. $1,300 per month, which the exchange rate today, as of November 1st, 2020, is $401.23 for all of this. We're also the first people to move into this unit. So there are actually a lot of the other units they're still like doing construction on. So when we moved in 2 months ago, these didn't even have those windows. That one didn't have any of its windows. That one is still being worked on. So yeah, brand new apartment, first people in here, $400 a month. Didn't have to worry about utilities. It was wonderful.